Hey everybody, this is Christopher with a brand new video for you. I am so excited to finally be getting into cryptocurrency investing that I want to record this video to show how I'm starting off and what I'm doing here. After doing my research, I've picked 3 investments in the cryptocurrency marketplace that look like the best ones, most profitable ones right now, and I'm just going to use this video as a baseline to start everything off. So let me show you what they are. Today, Bitcoin's trading up at $7,887 right now. It's just gone parabolic, as you can see here on CoinMarketCap.com. And there's a service called BitConnect that I opened an account with. And what the way BitConnect works is it allows you to take your Bitcoin, invest it in BitConnect. BitConnect is another cryptocurrency that's linked or connected to Bitcoin, so it closely tracks Bitcoin's increases and decreases on the marketplace. And they have a program, a robot, as they call it, a trading robot that you can lend money to in the form of a loan, and that bot allows you to make money when Bitcoin is volatile. So if Bitcoin opens at one price at the beginning of the day and closes at the same price at the end of the day, there's no volatility. It hasn't changed at all, and the robot's not going to make any money. But if there's a huge jump, either positive or negative, then this trading bot is actually able to make profit. And the amount of profit that it makes is pretty significant. Here's the last 5 days profit that it's making. You see here that it's been averaging just over 1% return per day, which is absolutely stunning. So I've started off there with an initial investment of $5,790, which puts me in their third tier right here, which adds a nice little bonus of 0.2% return every day, and you get your money back after basically 6 months. So let me just show you you can either look at the average percent return for the last 30 days or for the last 6 months or for the last 7 days. I like going with 6 months because it's a longer time slice here. So you can just do if things were to continue the way they've been going for the on average for the last 6 months, what would the return on investment look like in the next 6 months? So I just put in my investment amount here, $5,790, and it's 179 days, which is 6 months, and I calculate it, and it comes back with an insane amount of profit, $12,126 profit. And then at the end of the 6 months, you also get back your initial investment. So I'd get back my $5,790. So you could look at that in a calculator up here. $12,126 divided by 6 months, that comes out to $2,000 a month profit. And they release these funds every day. And then you can choose to reinvest those funds and thereby accrue your interest, or you can withdraw them to get them back out. So as I scroll down here, you'll see I've got my initial investment of $5,700, and I haven't earned anything yet because I just did it yesterday. So marking the beginning here on BitConnect. Now, the next platform that I've chosen to invest in is Genesis Mining. This is a cloud mining operation that has offices all over the world. For example, in countries with a lot of free electricity like Iceland, they've got a Bitcoin mining operation there that they've just opened up, and they allow you to buy a certain amount of processing power on a lifetime contract for mining Bitcoin. So you'll see here I purchased a contract for 50 terahashes per second for Bitcoin. Another way to say that would be 50,000 gigahashes, and that cost me $7,110. So just in terms of having an idea of what the profit of that could look like in the future, based on the current Bitcoin price and the current Bitcoin mining difficulty, we can go over here to this website CoinWars, which allows you to calculate mining estimates and put in 50,000 gigahashes. And at Genesis Mining, there's no power cost, and the pool fees are 28%. So out of all the profit that you make, if it's a profitable day, they take about 1/3 for their electricity, cooling, site cost, rent, etc., stuff like that, and upgrades, etc., of course. And then down here, put in the cost for me to purchase it, $7,800, $10, and hit the calculate button. And you'll see that at today's price and today's mining difficulty, if those were to continue, in the future here, that is a profit of $19,000 per year, $1,500 per month. It's just absolutely stellar. Now, over time, the difficulty of mining Bitcoin goes up. But the thing is, as the price of Bitcoin also goes up, it kind of counteracts that. So Bitcoin mining is still profitable. Now, the thing about these contracts is they only were available for a short time. Those 2 or 3 days, I got it right in on it, and I know a lot of people who've been doing it for months. So every once in a while, Genesis Mining will open a new data center or a new room or a new wing and offer a batch of new contracts. So right now they're not available. They will make some more available in the future, but nobody knows exactly when. But anyway, this serves as a baseline that I invested $7,800 in Genesis Mining and got 50 terahashes with them. Now there's a third investment that I'm going to be making in cryptocurrency here, and that is also another mining operation. It's different take on it. Instead of buying processing power in terahashes or gigahashes, what you do is you buy a share in the profits that they mine. So it's called the BitClub Network. And these guys have multiple different levels that you can buy in at. As you can see on the screen here, you can buy in at 500, 1,000, 2,000, or 3,500. I'm going to buy in with one share at the 3,500 level as soon as my transfer clears. So I don't have the estimates on how profitable this is going to be right now because I haven't purchased it yet. Once I do purchase it, then I'll be able to run the numbers. It looks, based on what other people have shown me, that it'll be a little bit less profitable than Genesis Mining based on the same current estimates. But what BitClub Network allows you to do is reinvest your profits to get more shares, which allows you to kind of compound interest on a savings account. So I'm excited about these three. That'll bring my total investment to $17,200 here in the middle of November. And so Genesis Mining will start mining at the end of February, basically March 1st. And BitConnect is going to start being returns tomorrow, the day after you invest. And then BitClub takes, I believe, 10 days for your equipment to get online before you start getting a return from them. So that's the quick once over of my strategy for investing in cryptocurrency right now here in November 2017. Thanks so much. You know, I should also just take a quick moment to give an initial total estimate of profitability on this, or monthly income. Let's see here for Genesis. We're talking about $1,586 per month. You know, and this is clearly not going to be perfectly accurate because it's just based on the assumptions or based on the current data of mining difficulty and current market price, and these things are always going to change. But it gives us some sense of an estimate. And here for BitConnect, I got $5,790 in at tier 3. That gives you this little bonus of 0.2% extra daily. And let's see what that returns at. Let's go the last 6 months. 5,790, 179 days. Calculate. Okay, so I need to get my calculator up here and take their value of $12,126 estimated profit, and then, whoops, $12,126 divided by 12 months, no, 6 months, equals 2021 a month. Let's put that in here. And then add that with 1586.34 from Genesis Mining. So my initial take before I even invest in BitClub Network is that Genesis and BitConnect will yield a total of $3,607 per month based on current assumptions. That's pretty spectacular. That is a full-time employee salary, and that's a pretty good amount of money for just investing 8,000 plus 6, about $14,000 in the two platforms. Okay, that's it. Great, thanks.